In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods for Cyberpunk. Check my video description for these required mods. Right click on this one by one and right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop these files inside the game folder. Once you dropped the 5 required mods to your game folder, now you just need to close tab here and open this vortex.exe and select the S option and select install. Select the finish option. And now go to games and search for a game type Cyberpunk. Select the manage option. And once you're done, go to mods and now check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this body shield. This mod help you to carry a dead body like a shield. Once you download the mod you like, go back to mod manager and select install from file and select the mod zip and select open option. And the mod has successfully installed. Now minimize this and launch the game. Once you are in game, I show you guys the mod is working. Once I shoot at a police, I can able to pick using the R key in my keyboard. Just hold the R key and I can able to carry this body as a shield and the mod is working fine. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.